In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to edit videos in Canva, providing step-by-step guidance on leveraging its features for beginners. Canva offers tools for creating professional-looking videos, and I'll walk you through the process. First, navigate to canva.com and consider the type of video you want to create. Depending on your choice, the dimensions may vary. For instance, if you're making a TikTok video, search for TikTok templates. Alternatively, for a standard landscape video, simply type video in the search bar. Once inside Canva's video editor, you'll find your preview screen and timeline. Explore the different tabs on the left sidebar. Design, elements, text, etc. These tabs offer various templates, shapes, graphics, and text options to enhance your video. To add clips, you can upload your own files or choose from Canva's library or external royalty-free sources like Pixels. Drag the clips onto your timeline and adjust their duration as needed. You can also crop and edit individual clips. Next, add text to your video by selecting a text template and customizing it to your liking. Canva provides options to change fonts, colors, sizes, and alignments. Enhance your video further by applying filters, and Canva offers a range of filters to adjust the look and feel of your clips. You can also animate text and add transitions between clips for smoother transitions. To add audio, explore Canva's audio library or upload your own music. Drag the audio file onto your timeline and adjust its position and duration accordingly. You can also fine-tune audio settings like volume and fade effects. Once you're satisfied with your video, preview it to ensure everything looks and sounds as desired. Finally, click on the Share button and select Download to save your video as an MP4 file to your computer. With these basic steps, you can start editing videos in Canva and unleash your creativity. Feel free to explore additional features and experiment with different elements to create captivating videos for any purpose.